This is Gaga CFM on a Monday, 9th February 2026. Again, if you're celebrating something special, know that the Uprising and Gaga CFM we're celebrating alongside you. Happy birthday, happy anniversary. We're writing a test. Or some be going for your drivers today. We're wishing you the best of luck. And njengoba sesishilo ukuthi namhlanje njalo umsomluko zaseThekwini samba no mayor wethu. Namhlanje gives us his trusted general and lieutenant in the form of Councillor Nkosenhle Madlala, Chairperson Governance and Human Capital Committee. The Thekwini municipality is doing the Lord's work as we broadcast live from Ugusa Secondary School in Mpumalanga Township in Hammersdale. We are at the school Lanage Samba Nomkhandlu wethu for their back to school program. And over the years, uMasipala wethu through its youth development office, they identify disadvantaged schools with the aim of assisting the learners with the donation of school uniforms and also some dignity packs.
Lokho kwenziwa ke to make sure that we bridge the gap and ensure ukuthi akekho umfundi ozizwa ngathi discouraged from attending isikole due to a lack of school uniforms or any other related resources, because Felix, I think we both know how it feels to lack and then ugcina ungasakwazi ukwenza izinto ezibalekile esikoleni.
It does affect your confidence also. So yes, like I said, uMasipala wethu is doing the Lord's work.
Ah, dude.
Councillor Madlala, ukhona ke la uzosichazela ke about today's festivities. Sikubingelele baba Madlala and welcome to Gaga CFM.
Ngibingelele kunina la e-studio esesikoleni. Bese ngibingelele nabalaleli kakhulukazi abafundi bakulesi sikole esihle kangaka la eHammersdale.
So can you just give us a brief background as to what inspired and motivated uMasipala wethu ukuthi for their back to school program beze kula lesikole noma baqoke nje izikole ezi disadvantage kungani nenze lokho?
Le initiative yethu seyihambile iminyaka siyenza njalo ngonyaka uma kusuke uqala unyaka wezikole. Sabona ukuthi uma sibuka nje abafundi esikoleni uyakwazi ukuthi ubabone bemile lapha ukuthi ke lo uqhamuka emndenini ontulayo lokho ke kwenza ukuthi isimo sakhe umfundi sasesikoleni singabe sihle kahle. I-experience ke ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abaningi abalalele bayayazi lento ukuthi kunjani ukuba necathulo ebhobokile, ukuba neuniform epheshiwe kanjalo esikoleni, nokuthi lokho kwenza njani ngokwe-attendance, kwenza njani ngokwe-confidence nje yakho njengomfundi, futhi kwenza njani siyazi khona nezinto zobullying esikoleni la khona ukuthi ezinye ingane seyihlekisa ngawe ngenxa yesimo sakho. Na ke lokhu ke ngenxa ukuthi siyazi ukuthi ecountryn kusekhona isimo sepoverty and inequality and sasifuna ukubridge leyo gap ukuthi njengomasipala silekelela singabamba khona ukuthi abafundi bethu bakwazi ukuthi basizakale.
I think sengiphendulekile nami kumbuzo wami olandela bengifisa ukubuza wona ukuthi nibona ukuthi lokuletha ama uniforms nalawa ama dignity packs we addressa kanjani ilokhuza ingqinamba ebhekene nabafundi and also non-academic barriers that often keep our learners out of school.
Yeah, kuyiqiniso impela ukuthi ikakhulukazi abafundi abamantombazane othola ukuthi uma ngabe kuyileso sikhathi senyanga akasakwazi ukuze esikoleni ngenxa yokuthi umzali akakwazi ukuthi afford ama dignity packs. Kuyalekelela kakhulu ke lokuthi ke uma sesifikile sakwazi ukuthi silekelele ngalokho kwazi ukuthi angabibikho umfundo ongeze esikoleni njalo ngenyanga ngenxa yokuthi sekuyileso sikhathi. Kodwa futhi nabafundi abafana awukhona ama dignity packs abo now as well, because not having a roll on can really mess with your confidence. Bese affecta nama grades kanjalo. Ukungabi naso isixubu, ungabi nawo umuthi okuxubha ngempela kuyakwazi ukuthi ku-affect. Ngakho ke silekelela both abesilisa abafundi ababafana nabafundi abamantombazane ukuze bahlale eklasini bafocuse entweni abayizele ukuze improve ama grade, kwazi ukuthi sikhuluma ukuthi ikole zaseThekwini zilekelele kwezaKwaZulu Natal ukuthi sitholele imiklomelo lesiyitholile.
Yazi ukuthi Councillor Madlala lento isho ibaleke kakhulu. Ngiyaqaphela futhi ukuthi njobo umkhandlu uyibhekisise le ndaba yamarolon ngoba lento ihambe nasemsebenzini noma senisakazi kuba khona ingqinamba la sekuphazamiseka nabanye
abasakazi
lento eyikholo usebenza nomuntu onuka i-environment uyabona leyo nto iyasiphazamisa kuyimanje ngingaphansi kwenkulu ingcindezi Councillor. So into enginotisile la ukuthi yonke into eyintuthuko enilethayo inemthelela kwelandelayo singaba la silethe izinto insiza esikoleni minenhle but mangidlula la njengoba siku outer west region ngiyanokusisa ukuthi no man lana at maduzane nala sikhona within close proximity there's developer is a very fast pace uma ungena la ngaphakathi there's Keystone Development before ufike lana khona iGiba Business Park development kukhona neShongweni development also uma udlula uqhubeka ngo-N3 kune Cato Ridge development ingabe lentuthuko isho ukuthini emphakathini wokulendawo sivashele namhlanje na yonke lemphakathi yakhe nalezi ndawo ezingibalayo
Siyabonga kakhulu ucaba ukuthi uzonotice ukuthi umkhandlo weTheku singathi nje umi ngendlela eyonqantathu kukhona iSouth kukhona iWest bese kuba khona iNorth along bese kuba ulwandle ngakho ke siyazama ukuthi intuthuko iye kuzona zonke lezi indawo sike yabonakala kakhulu ngaseNorth intuthuko esikhathini esedlule njengamanje sibuyile siyafocusa la eWest sizofocusa futhi naseSouth uyabona ukuthi le ntuthuko oyibonayo isiye icontribute kakhulu ekunyukeni kwe-business confidence izocontribute kakhulu kakhenekeni kwamathuba emisebenzi nanokuthi iTheku liyathuthuka iTheku is rising again.
Yes, I'm excited because masiqeda la Felix sisazohamba sojoina no Councillor Mandlala lapha kuyingane kwi-assembly and there's going to be the special handover and I hear number 1 last year is going to get something special
100% but also uhlobo lweinsiza nequality yeinsiza esilethe namhlanje ngibona ama scientific calculator ngibona ama uniforms ngibona stationery and also very important ngibone nama sanitary pads alethelwa la kakhulukazi abafundi bamantombazana abantulayo ngoba kwesinye isikhathi abanye they stay out of school and lose ama school days some 3 to 4 days of school days and they lag behind because of insiza efana njengalezi so sinithulela isigqoko Councillor Madlala
siyabonga kakhulu sibonge nokuthi igagasi libe khona ukuze yaziwe umphakathi lento ukuthi iTheku cares.
Yes, iTheku cares indeed. Asibambe lapho ke siqhubeka ke namanye ama interviews with masiqeda ke ukwenza ke le handover yakhona. Njobe sheshela umini nasi ke we're looking forward to see ukuthi ke the top performing learner from last year what they're going to achieve. Sorry to obtain them and get on behalf courtesy of uMasipala wethu.